Did you know that after the age of 30, your body can start losing up to 3% of its muscle mass every single decade? And if you're over 60, that rate of muscle loss accelerates to a staggering 5% per decade. That means, without proper nutrition and lifestyle choices, even the most active among us can see a significant decline in strength, mobility, and overall health in just a few years. This rapid loss of muscle doesn't just sap your energy, it can impact everything from your metabolism to your ability to live independently as you age. The reality is, muscle loss can sneak up on anyone, regardless of how fit or healthy you might feel right now. For many people, the obvious solution has been to reach for protein powders. Walk down any grocery store aisle or check the shelves at your local gym, and you'll see tubs upon tubs of protein powders promising to help you rebuild, repair, and retain muscle. It's no wonder they've become a staple in so many diets, especially for those trying to stay ahead of age-related muscle decline. But here's the thing, relying exclusively on protein powders isn't always the answer. In fact, there's a natural food option, one you might already have in your kitchen, that can help stop muscle loss just as effectively, if not more so. Let's talk about why so many people turn to protein powders in the first place. They're marketed as a quick, convenient way to get your daily dose of protein, which is undeniably important for muscle maintenance and growth. But protein powders come with their own set of downsides. They can be expensive, especially if you're using them daily. Many brands contain additives, artificial sweeteners, and preservatives that don't necessarily contribute to your health. And perhaps most importantly, there's a widespread belief that protein powders are the only way to truly support muscle health, when in reality, that's simply not the case. So what's the natural alternative that can help you stop muscle loss instantly, without the cost, the additives, or the hype? The answer might surprise you. It's Greek yogurt. Yes, that humble staple you've seen in the dairy aisle. Greek yogurt is packed with high-quality protein, contains essential amino acids, and is rich in calcium and vitamin D, nutrients that are vital not just for your muscles, but for your bones as well. How does Greek yogurt compare to protein powders? For starters, a single serving of Greek yogurt can deliver up to 20 grams of protein, depending on the brand and fat content. That's comparable to many popular protein powders, but with the added benefits of whole food nutrition. Greek yogurt also offers probiotics, which support gut health, and it's naturally rich in calcium, helping to strengthen bones, which is crucial as we age. Unlike protein powders, which often require blending, mixing, or masking their taste with other ingredients, Greek yogurt is incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can eat it on its own, add it to smoothies, use it as a base for creamy salad dressings, or top it with fresh fruit and nuts for a quick, nutrient-packed breakfast or snack. It's versatile, delicious, and doesn't require any extra preparation or cleanup. But the benefits don't stop at convenience and taste. There's solid scientific backing for using Greek yogurt and other high-quality dairy products as a key part of a muscle-preserving diet. Dairy products like Greek yogurt, milk, and cheese are not only excellent sources of protein, but they also provide calcium and vitamin D, both of which play an important role in muscle function and bone density. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume these foods tend to have better muscle mass and strength, especially as they get older. Eggs are another natural powerhouse worth mentioning. They're packed with high-quality protein and are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D, which has been shown to support muscle function and reduce the risk of falls in older adults. And let's not forget fatty fish like salmon, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have been linked to reduced inflammation and improved muscle health, making them an excellent addition to any diet aiming to preserve muscle. If you're still not convinced, consider this. Greek yogurt and similar natural foods don't just offer protein, they provide a full spectrum of nutrients your body needs to stay strong and healthy. Unlike isolated protein powders, you get everything from B vitamins to minerals and healthy fats, all working together to fuel your muscles, support your metabolism, and keep your immune system in top shape. Testimonials from people who have made the switch from protein powders to natural foods like Greek yogurt often highlight the difference in how they feel. Many report better digestion, improved energy levels, and a greater sense of satisfaction from their meals. There's something to be said for getting your nutrients the way nature intended, whole, unprocessed, and packed with everything your body needs. So, let's recap the key points. Muscle loss can happen faster than you think, especially if you're not paying attention to your nutrition. While protein powders may seem like a quick fix, they're not the only or even the best option out there. Natural foods like Greek yogurt, eggs, and fatty fish offer high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals, and a host of other health benefits. They're easy to incorporate into your diet, cost-effective, and free from the artificial additives found in many protein supplements. By making the switch to natural foods, you can support your muscle health, improve your overall well-being, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're nourishing your body with the best nature has to offer. So if you're ready to ditch the protein powder and try a natural approach to stopping muscle loss, start by adding Greek yogurt or other protein-rich whole foods to your meals today. If you found these insights helpful and want to learn more about how to maintain your health and vitality, don't forget to subscribe. Join us for more tips, expert advice, and inspiration to help you live your strongest, healthiest life naturally.